Ready to finally upgrade that old deck or patio? Say goodbye to cracked concrete or faded wood, writes an American retailer. They offer composite floor tiles with a wood-like texture. The tiles are made from bamboo and wood fibers that are bonded with polymer resins. The standard version weighs 2.4 pounds, and it's a square with a 12-inch side. It's ideal for pool areas, showers, and balconies, as tiles don't rot and are resistant to mold and insects, and they can be installed directly on top of old materials, provided that the space is flat enough and doesn't have any serious defects. One tile costs about $6. Our next stop is Germany. That is where the headquarters of one of the world's leading construction supplies manufacturers is located. One of their products includes this injection resin, which is indispensable for fast sealing. The resin is suitable for use with concrete and brickwork and can even seal water-bearing cracks with an opening width of 0.01 to 0.2 inches. On contact with water, a fast reaction takes place, and in a couple of seconds, the resin expands 60 times. It can even stop water under pressure, and the service life of the resin is not limited. For particularly difficult cases, a special compound is available, which can be used for additional injection. Sandy City, Utah, USA. This is where a property developer decided to build warehouses and office buildings because the local economy is booming. And one of the most important aspects is a high-quality roof, as the local climate is characterized by winters with heavy rains and winds. As a result, engineers settled on a hybrid roofing system, consisting of a base of polystyrene combined with elements of polyisocyanurate. The material is very rigid, repels water, and is resistant to both chemical and mechanical stress. Overall, this solution is cheap, it simplifies the work, speeds up the installation, and takes less time compared to its counterparts. The demand for housing construction is increasing every year, so this German-made waterproofing system will clearly be in demand. It helps to compensate for the tension between the substratum and the tiles. The thickness of the standard version is 0.1 inches, but there's also a size XL of about 0.3 inches. The material is suitable for both indoor and outdoor work, including for substrata made of cement, concrete, and wood. Is also useful when installing heated floors. The waterproofing consists of polypropylene with felt on the back side. Let's continue our list with another product from the US. It allows you to quickly and efficiently finish your house with stone veneer, even if you're not a professional. If you're able to drive a screw into the wall, then you'll be able to install our solution, the company says. You can buy individual stones, panels, and special blocks for finishing columns. No special tools or mortar are needed, and you can work in all weather conditions. The process resembles playing Lego, and it's easy to work even alone. According to the seller, it's not just an aesthetic investment, but also a useful one. The warranty is 50 years, and the final cost depends on the amount of work. Speaking of renovation, if you need something more serious or just want to radically change the interior of a place, you should pay attention to these concrete panels. The manufacturers claim that they're twice as light as their counterparts, so installation will be easier. The company is ready to make panels to order for a specific project, measuring up to 8 feet long and 4 feet wide. The thickness varies from 0.5 to 2.5 inches. Panels can be easily cut on site if needed, with just a 2-person crew for comfortable work. Different colors are also available, and designers will be interested in 3D textures. If there's a computer model of the room, you can assess how the panels will fit into it. What's going on in Australia? There, in order to make life more comfortable for Melbourne's growing population, they decided to arrange a park area. To do this, engineers had to redesign an old heritage-listed sewage system. Fortunately, a modern and practical solution was found, using Rigofill STB blocks. These units are made of polypropylene and combine the capabilities of wastewater storage and filtration. The standard dimensions of the block are 31.5 by 31.5 by 26 inches, and the storage capacity is about 107 gallons. A huge benefit is the ease of installation. The units are easy to carry and join, so with the help of a small team, they managed to achieve an impressive result. Work is also in full swing in Canada, where they decided to widen a highway. This required the installation of this large-scale system for collecting and transporting stormwater and river water. Local engineers did a great job. 44 sections with a combined weight of more than 5,820,204 pounds were installed in just 4 days. One of the secrets of the success is the simple assembly, reminiscent of a Lego set. The final length of the constructed section is about 251 feet, and the height is about 11.5 feet. And it's only the first section of 3, so there's still plenty of work to be done. But that hardly frightened the workers, because they installed them at a speed of up to 6 units per hour. As many other countries are, Italy is facing energy problems. In August of this year alone, prices rose by about 76%. So, governments are actively searching for alternatives. This development in particular allows the use of solar energy. Stop the water, catch the sun, the manufacturers say. The solution they offer consists of a bitumen base, to which a special photovoltaic film is attached. The company's portfolio includes a project in Naples, which generates around 25 megawatts, the largest project of its kind in the world. The solution is suitable even for structures with complex geometry, and after the work is completed, the roof is still safe to walk on. Next on the list is the Netherlands, where they make very interesting construction decisions. For example, starting in 2025, all new buildings in the country's capital must consist of at least 20% wood or other biomaterials. The goal is to reduce dependence on steel and concrete, the production of which is very harmful to the environment. One option to follow the trend and comply with the new norms is to use this foundation. It's patented and allows you to quickly lay wooden elements of terraces, ramps, steps, and other constructions. Besides, the foundation is suitable for recycling and helps save on maintenance, if only because its installation requires virtually no drilling. Next is a practical solution for water drainage, which goes well with paving stones and tiles. The trick is that the upper part can be adjusted in height, which makes it a good option for new projects as well as for renovation work. It's made of PVC and aluminium and can be installed on a concrete or sand base. There are different sizes to choose from compact versions, like in the video, to 5-foot-long variants. One of these costs $36. On your screens is a solution from Russia. This plastic edging makes it easier and faster to lay slabs. This version measures 2.3 inches in height. The wall thickness is 0.2 inches, which, combined with reinforcing ribs, provides enough structural reliability. Sections can be bent, and they also allow you to work without concreting the edge and make invisible slab borders. Also, this edging will perfectly cope with keeping playground coating in place, and with the circular beds for trees. The price per section is about $4. On your screen is a universal manhole cover. The German manufacturer points out that these are suitable for heating systems, pumping stations, and power lines. As you can see, there are many applications. One innovation is the unusual triangular shape, which makes the covers easier to lift and much harder to steal. Moreover, these triangles open to 100 degrees and are self-locking, which greatly simplifies the life of workers. Weight depends on the model. For example, there are options weighing 57 and 79 pounds. Installation doesn't require any special skills, and the final result is quite comfortable for car owners.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.